All right, here's the box. When I tell you you're going to need this in your life, girl, you're going to need this in your life. This is a Febreze HEPA-Type air purifier, okay? It eliminates 99% of funk, whatever, however, whatever, whether it's anything, and it's only for small rooms. Cigarette smoke, cooking, and all that stuff. I'm telling you, this thing works wonders. And I'm about to demonstrate it for you right now. Give me a minute. Hold on. Let me set up my camera. Alright, here's mine. I have it sitting up on this little Chester thing that I have. Little Chester stand thing. Just, I'll show it in a later date when I do an updated room tour. But just to show you, it does not take up a lot of space at all. It's sitting up here. Okay, it is a desktop. Alright, now before I get started with the demonstration, I would like to throw this disclaimer in there to let you know I did purchase this with my own cointages. Okay, nothing was given to me for free. Alright, I did purchase this. Okay, alright, now let's get started. Now, this is the front of it here, and in the front is where your filter goes. Okay, now you see this little black little tab thing. You probably can't, so let me go ahead and flip it up and show you what I'm talking about here. This is how you replace your filter. There's a tab right here at the bottom. You take that and you pull it straight on down like that. You slide it back up in there like that. Okay, you also have a vent back here in the back. This is where your scent comes from. Okay, you have the first knob here, and it's already set to off. The circle means off, and has 3 settings, meaning high, medium, low. The 3 mean high, the 2 mean medium, and the 1 mean low. You also have 2 buttons here. One button says scent reset and filter reset. These buttons mean that whenever your scent needs to be replaced, that light will come on. Whenever your filter needs to be replaced, you'll get a red light will come on there as well. And you have a light at the bottom that will turn green when it's powered on. You also have a knob over here, which is your scent level, meaning that your setting can be set to low, or it can also be set to high, which is full blast. Okay, personally I have mine set only just up a notch, because the thing is so powerful and smell. Okay, now this here part here is where your cartridge goes, and it comes with a free Febreze scent. Now, I believe mine is fresh linen, but girl, woo, I done had this thing over a year, maybe 2, and that's the only air freshener that I have been using since I had this thing, and it's still up and going. All right, so now I'm going to take it back down here. Again, I say this is the filter area. This is what sucks up all the stinky smells, whether it's being smoked, cigarette smoke, whatever have you. Like I say, this would be excellent for your nail room and your settings. You can have it to however you want to set it. If you feel like you have more odors that's in your room that you cannot handle, turn that sucker up to high, medium. Me personally, I have mine set to low. Low works just fine when I'm doing my nails. Just my personal preference. But like I said, if you want it, girl, on blast, turn that sucker up on blast if you have to, whatever, however. But I'm just saying, this thing is very, very strong. All right. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to demonstrate and show y'all what this thing did for me. Because this thing did something for me, girl, that blew my mind. And which made me want to just come and share this with y'all. I got to come and share this with my folks. I got to. Because they're going to have to need this in their life. I wouldn't tell you nothing wrong, girl. I wouldn't tell you nothing wrong. You're going to need this in your life. All right. So now, like I say, this is my filter area. I'm going to slap my filter up out of here. That's the front of the filter. Alright. That's it right there. That's the back of it. Okay. Alright. So what I did was I just brushed the little dust off of it, you know. I'm just not ready to replace my filter. My filter light don't come on, so it's not ready to be replaced. But yeah, so I could have left the little dust that was on there, but I just wanted to take it off just to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So let's get started. All right. So I'm going to place it back up in there like that. See, let me show you too. Let me show you something so you won't get this wrong. Now, before I put this back up in here, let me explain something to you. It says do not immerse in water. So do not put your filter in no water, girl. Don't do that. Like I said, I just dusted dust off of it and I'm about to put it back up in there. So it lets you know the black side faces out of the air purifier and then the other part faces, you know, in, however, whatever. But yeah. Okay. So now since I knocked the dust off, I'm gonna slide it right back up in there like that there. Okay. All right, so we're back at the top. I want to turn her on so you guys can see how quiet she is. All right, so this is her on high, and you see she's not loud at all because I can probably whisper, and I'm sure you guys still can hear me. Yeah, this is her on medium. Okay, and this is her on low. All right, and I have my scent turned down, and I'm smelling it. I'm smelling it. Okay. All right, let me turn her off. All right, so now I have my nail drill here, and I just want to show y'all something real fast. Look at it. I'm gonna turn her on. Turn her on medium. How about that? Let me turn my drill on. And let me show you something. Because it kind of blew my mind, girl. Let me try and zoom you in, girl. Let me try and zoom you in. Let me see if I can zoom you in, girl. I just want you to see this, girl. I just want you to see this. You see how it's sucking it up in there? Hold on, let me see. See it? See it? Now I'm going to turn it on high. Watch this. You see it? Girl, it started taking the dust from me. Do you hear me? It starts sucking the dust up in there. See how it's sucking it up in there? Oh, girl, you see that? Show you how powerful this thing is. Hold on, let me try and zoom you down a little bit. Let me try and zoom you down. I'm trying to get y'all to see this. I'm trying to get y'all to see and feel me, girl. Feel me. Cause it kind of blew my mind, child. It kind of blew my mind. Hold on, let me give you a good angle, better angle here. Girl, you see how it's sucking it up in there? You ain't gotta see, cause I'm about to show it to you as soon as I take this filter off. Don't even worry about it. You already see it. You see it. Girl, look at that. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Is this thing a dust collector up in here? Girl, I was like, hold on. I was like, whoa. I know I'm on the extra bus. But so what? I'm excited. Girl, look, hold on. Let me give you some more. Let me give you some more. Let me give you some more. Look at that. Let me give you some more. Let me give you some more. Look at that. See how it's sucking it up in there, girl? Can you see it, girl? You can see it. You getting it. You getting it. You getting it. You getting it. Girl, wait a minute. Hold on now. We're going to turn her off. So, yes, I'm sitting up in here doing my nails. And I noticed as I'm filing, the dust, girl, is going towards this purifier. So, girl... I just so happened to look in. I said, wait a minute, hold on. I pulled the vent out. Girl, I got started with something. I said, look at here. Hold on, let me pull this filter out. Let me pull it out. Oh, I'm dripping it, I'm dropping it, I'm dropping it, I'm dripping it. You see that? Look at that. Look how that sucked that all up in there, girl. Look how it sucked it up in there. Shut up, watch your mouth. Watch that in there. Hey, hey. I'm over here doing my happy dance. Girl, look at that there. Look at that there. Huh? What you say? What you talking about, Willis? I was like, what? This thing didn't just suck up the dust from my nails. Yes, ma'am. Girl, so hey, I got one question for you. What you gonna do? 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 What you gonna do, girl? Girl, you better go get you one of these in your life. It's all I'm saying. It's all I'm saying. I dust her off. And she goes right back on in there again, girl. Right back on in there again. Oh, my goodness. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead because I'm getting a little too silly up in here. And this is serious. So what I do is I slide my filter back up in here. And get ready to use her again. So, girl, this investment here is like the best investment that I have ever made far as eliminating odors in my nail room. Okay. Yes, my money was well spent. All right. I'm going to do you a favor. I'm going to leave you a link down in that description bar where you can click right on onto that link, girl. Go over there and purchase this thing and get it all up in your life, because you gonna need it. Don't say you not, because you is. You gonna need it. And it's not gonna break the bank. It's not gonna break the bank. Go over there and click on it and see. You're gonna be like, dang, Reese was right. She was right. It ain't even breaking my bank. No, that's why I love her. That's why I mess with her. All right, y'all. That is it. And that is all, folks, for now. Until next time, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a whole nother other video. All right.